Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a home-based business with Etsy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching your niche. Identify the products you want to sell by exploring trends and popular items on Etsy. Analyze your competitors to understand their offerings and pricing strategies. Create a unique value proposition that sets your products apart. Next, set up an Etsy account if you haven't already. Choose a memorable shop name that reflects your brand. Fill out your shop profile with compelling descriptions and images. Draft a business plan outlining your goals, budget, and marketing strategies. Source or create your products, ensuring high quality and consistency. Take clear, high-resolution photos of your items, showcasing different angles. Write detailed and engaging product descriptions, highlighting features and benefits. Set competitive pricing based on your costs and market research. Create shop policies regarding shipping, returns, and customer service. Launch your Etsy shop and promote it across social media platforms. Engage with your audience by responding to inquiries and feedback promptly. Consider using Etsy ads to boost visibility for your products. Regularly update your shop with new items and adjust based on sales performance. Keep track of your finances to manage expenses and profits effectively. Stay informed about Etsy's policies and updates to ensure compliance. Network with other Etsy sellers to share tips and support one another. Continuously seek feedback from customers to improve your offerings and service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.